Anyways, he's busy watching Elmo. But today I'm gonna do something different that I've never done before. I'm gonna focus on doing more. When I'm looking for something for my son, I always go on YouTube to look up the reviews. So the high chair that I am reviewing today is the Infans A-shaped high chair. I did do my research on several high chairs, and I wanted something very efficient that would grow with him but also not break the bank. So I feel like this is a happy medium. It's not a super cheap high chair, but at the same time it's not extremely expensive. The first thing I like about the high chair is the different levels that it has. This high chair can go up and down. Also, it does have the capability of leaning back and forward. Another thing that I guess moves as well is the footrest. So the footrest can be either at a 90-degree angle down, or it can be put up to like a 45-degree angle. The other thing that I love about this high chair are the lockable wheels. It's just good to have the wheels locked just in case if your baby's in there and something happens, like you accidentally lean on it and it moves, or somebody else lean on it and you have a dog that might knock it out of the way. It's good to have the chairs locked. Also for the baby safety as well. If you have a baby that crawls or walks around and they like to get up on it and pull on it or push on it, it's good that the wheels lock so it prevents any mishaps or any damages done or anything like that. This high chair can also be closed up for storage. Hardly ever close it up for storage, but it does have that option. Because it's A-shaped, it can like close up like this and be stored away. It's not completely slim, but it does help a lot to be able to move it around. When I close it, I can get it into my car, so that it's good for traveling as well. The next thing is easy cleanup. I love that there's no cloth material on the high chair. It's just leather and plastic. It's a breeze. I love that it also has a removable tray. The top tray is meant for eating and the bottom tray is meant for like play and stuff. I use both trays for eating. So like if he had breakfast that morning, if I haven't cleaned it yet, I can take the top tray off and put his snacks on the bottom tray, or put his dinner on the bottom tray. So I like that option. I never really had any difficulties cleaning his high chair. Any stuck on food, it all comes off pretty easily. I never had any issues, and that's why I absolutely love this high chair. I feel like it has been rocking with him for 7 months now. If I do decide to have another baby later down the road, then I will still be using this high chair. It also has a useful little net storage on the bottom. Honestly, we kind of use it in the beginning to hold his toys, but we don't really use it anymore. I'm probably gonna take it off now because he likes to climb on it, and he actually already broke one side or like a little corner of it, so I probably want to take it off because he always tries to climb through that thing. So but it's good to have, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And like my favorite thing about this high chair, of course, is the durability. I've had it for 7 months, and honestly, once cleaned up, it looks still brand new. I think it was a great purchase. I don't regret it. I don't feel like I'm missing anything or need anything else or should have purchased anything else. I would give this high chair 4.6 out of 5. And the only reason I didn't give it a total 5 is because it doesn't fold. When you store it away, it doesn't fold as slim as I would like it to. But honestly, I never store it away. It literally could be a 5-star rating, but just to nitpick a little bit, it could fold up slimmer. But that is pretty much all about that high chair. Hopefully this review helped you find your next high chair, and see you guys next time on the next review. I have tons of baby products that I would like to review that I'm probably going to try and review today or this week. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.